At this spot on Little Round Top, I'm looking south towards the monument for the 44th New York Infantry Regiment, aka the castle. In the distance here you can see the wooded slopes of Big Round Top and see the view as the slope of Little Round Top sweeps downhill towards Plum Run and Devil's Den. Late afternoon on Thursday, July 2nd, 1863, Confederate infantry emerged from the distant tree line and attacked in this direction as James Longstreet began his sweeping flank attack against the Union Army. Ahead of us is Houck's Ridge, and below us is the Valley of Death. Confederates were successful in capturing the ridge and attacking Little Round Top coming in this direction, but great slaughter was rendered down below and up here among the rocks. Little Round Top. The most prominent monument on Little Round Top is that of General Gouverneur K. Warren, the Army's chief engineer during the Battle of Gettysburg. The magnificent views from Little Round Top extend northwest and to the north across the fields that were crossed by Confederate infantry advancing during the July 3rd, 1863 attack known as Pickett's Charge. In the distance you can see the dome of the Pennsylvania Monument, the largest monument on the battlefield. On a beautiful day from atop Little Round Top you can see South Mountain in the distance, and you enjoy sweeping vistas of the battlefield for both the second and the third day's actions.